Zach, it's been 3 months since our MBA journey started. What do you think about the career services so far?
Hi Praj. So far it's perfect. For example, we have access to the first-hand experience in various industries, such as financial service and consulting industry, through the sharing sessions provided by CDO. These sessions, conducted by the senior executives in these industries, provide me a foundation about different industry expectations and career journeys. To be honest, it really took me for a while to decide which event to attend, since there are too many choices and a tight schedule.
Yes, at first I signed up for all the events, but now I agree with the tight schedule, as we have more programs such as mentorship program, career talks, company visits, and personally, I also participated in many case competitions. On the other hand, learning in class is one of the most important experience in MBA. What do you think about the learning experience in HKU MBA?
It works pretty much the same as in consulting firms, plenty of communications with colleagues, intense meetings, and presentations. The difference is that everyone will have a significant say in the team, and the team always discuss in details and many approaches to ensure the best quality of the deliveries. We may have moments where the debate is intense, but the final result is always satisfying. I'm looking forward to more critical discussions and more presentations.
That is very true. I have the same exact experience. On top of that, the professor provide critical feedback on each of our assignment, both individually and as a group. The feedback I received was spot on, and the concept is easy to understand. It also highlights the weaknesses I have made. By the way, outside of the classroom, HKU MBA also organized a number of networking events. The networking events, together with the alumni, part-time students, and executive MBA students, were very valuable. I have the chance to meet successful alumni and senior executives from various industries. They provide me with great insights from their experiences.
I'm totally on the same page. In addition, we have the chance to work with the part-time students together in the elective courses. Despite the heavy workload, the experience so far has been very rewarding, and I'm very looking forward to the whole journey.
So do I.